I thought I was finally starting to understand this van. In the last episode, I talked about how much I was falling in love with it. And honestly, looking at the condition of this metal, I was left speechless. I had no idea what I was going to do with it. But you know what? This build has taught me one thing already. Every problem is another chance to learn. So let's buckle up and deal with it. This is what I have done so far to this side, and I'm planning on putting at least 6 sheets of fiberglass. I don't know if it is called FSM or FRM, whatever it is, with waterproof epoxy. This side is a lot better than driver's side. I mean, like, a lot better. And the driver's side, that's not, that's bad. And I think all this is because of a combination of this, sand, mud, and water pooling here and then staying in for as long as it can. And that's what is the root cause of this damage. I don't know why this would happen so easily. I mean, like, we have cars that are 30 years older. This one is about 20. And not this much damage to the body, to rust and everything like that. But here it is. All right, settle down. Class is in session. Today, we are going to learn how to turn a perfectly innocent roll of fiberglass into world's most annoying jigsaw puzzle. The plan here was to dry fit everything before bringing out the resin, which sounds simple enough. Measure a piece, put it down, move it, put it back, move it again. Stare at it for a while, as if that is somehow going to make it fit better. I wanted the pieces overlapping the damaged areas and sitting reasonably well around all these awkward corners. And since fiberglass apparently has its own opinions about where it would like to live, this took a little negotiation. So yes, place, adjust, trim, reconsider every decision that brought you here, and repeat. Eventually, though, everything started falling into place, and once I was happy with the layout, it was time for the messy part. So now this is the most controversial thing you are going to see, and let me assure you, I have tried everything to do it any other way, but at least in my experience, actually I should say at least in my inexperience, I have failed at doing it any other way. So this is how I'm going to do it now. Let's be ready, okay? Take this. Now that we have fixed the footstep wells, let's take a look what's under the seats and give them a thorough wash as well. Oh, come on. Mercedes. Why this? Like, no standards. Thankfully, I have these available. Like some small company, if they do something like this, makes sense. They do not have access to stuff, but Mercedes, such a big company, it can develop everything in house, and they using non-standard nuts or bolts makes no sense. Not too big of an inconvenience, but still one can. You done yet? Okay. Something fell off. The thing fell off. Okay. Hold on. First look in 20 years. That's a soap. And this fell off the day before. That's mine. Some super glue. Hope it's not super glued. Okay. What are these? I hope these are not some kind of bearing balls. Some ball bearing. Okay. Today I am going to remove these passenger seats. Mine are bench seats because it was a passenger van and its previous glory days. So actually, unlike the newer ones, I'm not able to dislodge this and remove this seat cushion. So I found about 3 bolts. This is 16 mm, and this is bolted to that side, and here is one more right over here, right? And then there is one over here as well. See that tiny one? Okay, that's so I'm gonna remove these, and let's see if I can remove the passenger seats from my Sprinter T1N. I know. Sorry for the horrible lighting, and I didn't know if I was going to record this or not, but since I wasn't able to find a good bunch of videos on YouTube, yeah, this one, it came off. There is the hole, and another one is somewhere over here, that one. Okay, now let's head over to the third one and remove that one as well. So here down below is the third one, Let's hope it comes off easily. Okay, here we go. There it is. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's see if we can slide it. Tell me, ain't it beautiful now? Yeah, I am in love with my T1N. Okay. Now these are stuck as well. Oh man. There's a job after the job and after the job. My windshield repair job didn't hold. I'm still getting one tiny drop of water. Okay, now what? Oh, I think I have to remove this as well. You know? Because, okay, it's long enough. It might come out. Okay, this is long enough. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, for the first time in forever. What's inside? Wow, this is a huge space. I'm like, hello. Hello. Hello what? Hello batteries. Oh, I can. Oh, yes, I will. Yes, I will. Thank you so much. And it's clean. Strange, but clean. Nice. Love it. So seats have moved. And now I'm going to clear this and this one, and we are in business. What is this? What is going on with this thing? Not sure. So do I remove only that part or this whole thing? Think I'm just going to try to remove this only, and hopefully that will work. Not sure if it is the same or not, but let's give it a shot. Oh. Nope. Yes. Worked. Thank you for your service. Now please come back. Come back to me. Yes. Okay. You can come out this way. I guess that's about done. Yes! Good and bad at the same time. Ooh. You can't see me, but I'm kind of dancing right now. That adrenaline rush made me dance, yeah? I thought the glove box was gone. It worked. Let's remove this and get to cleaning. And this time I'm not going to wash it like this one. This one actually I washed entirely. I just took a hose and wash it completely, just like you would some clothing or something like that. This is not how I'm going to do it. It took ages to dry up.